Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel once again. So today I'm going to share a few tips for teething stage for baby. हम सब जानते हैं जब हमारे बेबीज़ 9 months क्रॉस होते हैं तो फिर उनको टीथ स्टार्ट हो जाती है. They start teething, right? And some babies often gets their teeth before 9 months, not an issue. And the problems are similar in each babies, okay? In every baby they face some or the other similar problems, like they have a swollen gums, okay? Some has irritation, some gets irritated with their mood swings, okay? So there are different issues which we have to see in our babies during their teething. Okay, so for rescuing the issues faced by our babies, we can have some few small things we can use for our baby so that they get a very smooth growth of their teeth. Okay, we know that their gums are swollen when they are in the teething stage, right? So what I use for them, see, what I use for my baby actually, what you can use for your baby, anyone, this I got it from Baby Hug. Okay, this is a finger brush, silicone finger brush. Okay, so you can look at this one. Okay, so this is a silicone brush which you can wear it in your fingers and you can use it on the baby's gums, right? It in the mouth. See, look there. So this way you can use it for your baby. Even you can use a muslin cloth, बहुत पतला वाला जो कपड़ा होता है उसको थोड़ा गीला करके आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं गम्स को रब करने में. It will also help your baby to get rescued from that irritation in their gums when it's a little bit painful for them also, which we cannot imagine, we cannot feel, but it is. So it will help to rescue them from that pain and every issues they are facing through their gums, right? तो ये सारी छोटी छोटी चीज़ें को हम ध्यान में रखेंगे तो हमारे बेबीज़ की टीथ बहुत अच्छे से ग्रो करेगी और बहुत इजी वे में आएगी, स्मूथली आएगी, ज़्यादा उन्हें परेशानी नहीं होगी. बेबीज़ अक्सर इरिटेट हो जाते हैं, राइट? वो ड्यू टू देयर टीथिंग स्टेज. ओके, जब उनके दांत आने वाली होती है तो काफ़ी इरिटेटेड फील करते हैं बेबीज़. ऑफ कोर्स आई एम वॉचिंग दैट इन माई बेबी, राइट? So what I feel like we should help them to rescue that irritation too. So उनको irritation feel करने से आप उनको distract कर सकते हो, different चीज़ें उन्हें दे सकते हो, खिलौने वगैरह. उससे मैंने खुद experience किया है. Like my baby is now having teeth. She has started teething, like she is having 2 teeth now. I could see that. So since she was in that mode, like teething mode, she was having swollen gums and she was trying to cut everything, every fingers and clothes and any hard thing. Okay, I also use, means मैं उसके लिए अजवाइन के sticks मंगाई हूँ. That is from First Cry. You can go and check it out. That is from Happa Foods. Okay, and you can use any other brand also. Okay, so that ajwain sticks are very very nice for babies. When they chew it, it's very nice. Like they need hard things to cut at that time when their gums are swollen, and it means like उसको हम हिंदी में कहते हैं सबसबाते हैं. ओके, सो उसको सही करने के लिए वो हार्ड चीज़ें खोजते हैं. तो वो अजवाइन स्टिक्स बहुत हेल्दी भी है. अजवाइन की है तो ऑब्वियसली व्हेन बेबी इज़ च्यूइंग द एसेंस विल गो इन देयर टमी एंड देयर टमी विल बी गुड, क्योंकि अजवाइन हम सब जानते हैं इज़ गुड फॉर हेल्थ. सो मैंने वो भी ख़रीदा बेबी के लिए, सो दैट शी विल च्यू इट. ओके, एंड शी इज़ कटिंग इट. So these small things will help your baby grow smoothly. Their teething stage will go very smooth with these things, with small things. So go and try it out. These things will help your baby to get rescued from those gum issues which they are having. So that's it, what I can say for today. So thank you, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. So wait until the next, so I'll come up with different brands, more collaborations we have done, so we'll come up with a new collaboration of new brand. Stay tuned till then. So have a nice time, take care, bye bye.